Lasagna pasta. 500 grams of ground beef, 3 carrots, 2 strips of celery, 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, a quarter of cup of tomato pasta, a can of peeled tomatoes, salt, pepper, rosemary, and thyme. For the bechamel, 50 grams of butter, 30 grams of flour, 500 milliliters of milk, salt, pepper, and nutmeg.
First, wash the vegetables and cook thin brown. Now in a saucepan or pan, pour much olive oil. Finely chopped garlic cloves when they are a light golden. And the onion, carrots, in celery, seasoning with salt and pepper, cooked for 10 minutes. Next, add the ground beef, tomato pasta, and seasoning with salt and pepper. Later, add the rosemary in thyme, ending the can of tomatoes in a live water. Adjust the seasoning curve and cook over low at for hours. Smash the tomato until sauce in mud and set aside.
Then for the bechamel, melt the butter, add the flour, and with the help of a whisk mix until you obtain a rooks. Once the rooks is obtained and the milk white, continue to mix so as not to leave any lumps. When the milk thickens, remove it from the heat.
After that, heat some water in a pot and add a pinch of salt. So it has boiled, put the lasagna pasta and cook for 10 more minutes. Recommendation: the pasta shouldn't take more than the time so it will be baked. Preheat oven And once we have everything ready, in a refractory, a lasagna braid and an afterward of bechamel.
Then a loaf of meat.
Another of bechamel, a little cheese, base, and so until the mold is free. With the help of strain, place the lasagna and bake for 3 minutes. The lasagna take long time that it should be at that time. It's not check every 10 minutes until you see it bubble. Finally, we cut a piece of lasagna and you can accompany it with a little salt or mashed potato.